Good day everyone. Today we will present to you our Python-based project, which is the Septic Tank Design Calculator. I am Vincent Babaga together with my group mates Joseph Melbert Ruscha, Ayan Kidat Kumia, Susan Ricero, and Jade Muringayeta. For the overview of our program, Jade Muringayeta will present.
Here's the overview of the program. The Septic Tank Design Calculator is a Python-based desktop tool developed to assist in the design, analysis, and management of the septic tank systems, particularly for residential and small community settings. It features an interactive menu-driven interface that allows users to input essential design parameters such as number of users, daily wastewater generation, detention time, and safety factor to automatically compute tank volume, sludge accumulation, and suggested dimensions.
We have here six objectives. One, develop a digital tool to streamline septic tank design and planning. Two, simplify complex calculations such as tank volume, sludge accumulation, and dimensioning. Three, improve accuracy and efficiency compared to manual methods. Four, allow data management, save, edit, and organize multiple design records. Five, support cost estimation and material allocation. And last is to promote eco-friendly sanitation planning, especially in rural and unsewered areas.
Today we will walk you through how the program works from start to finish. Let's begin by selecting the option 1, which is designing a new septic tank. The program will ask how many tanks we want to design. For this demo, we will design one septic tank. After that, the program will allow us to input the owner's name, the location, the number of user, daily waste per user, detention time, and the safety factor. After that, the design summary will, will display on the program. For the second option, the program will allow us to add type of materials and system types. We need to enter the ID to update the materials and system type. Now, let's enter the material. For example, concrete and the system type, which is the single chamber. Now, for the next option, we are now allowed to update a design. Next, let's proceed to the fourth option, which is to delete a design.
Enter 4 if you want to delete a design. Then in option 5, if you want to view all the saved designs. Then in option 6, it shows the total estimated cost. Each design is estimated using 0.5 per liter of volume. The program lists each cost and computes the total.
Option 7 shows analysis report. This displays general stats like the number of designs saved, average volume, highest sludge volume, and minimum numbers of users. Next is option 8, search by owner or location. Inputs Vincent. The design containing Vincent is displayed. Next is option 9, reset all saved settings. Input yes. This will clear all records from the program. And finally, option 10, exit the program. A goodbye message appears and the program ends.
And that concludes our presentation. Thank you very much.